Okay, today I thought we'd play with the Deceptor. Now, yesterday I did the Star Master with jet smoke, so I'll put a link to that down below if you want to see what's on the inside. This is exactly the same robot, except the colors are different. And this one had exactly the same problem as the, what did I say it was? Star Master, in that there's a lever that pushes on the bellows, and it was designed incorrectly because the smoker moves up when the head goes up. When the Dino head goes up and this head splits open, smoker moves up, and then the little lever that's supposed to hit the bellows doesn't even touch it, doesn't even come close. The guy that had designed that mechanics had planned on the smoker staying stationary, in which case then the lever's exactly in the right place. But since the smoker moves up, the lever needs a little bit more help, so I added a 1/4-inch piece of styrene plastic in there and got things smoking again. Now this one, called the Deceptor, was actually a... I'm getting too close, aren't I? I'm going to move the camera back some. That might be better, perhaps. Was a display box, Deceptor, and it was Leader, if I remember right. Yeah, here we go. So manufactured China. Again, no date on the box, but I'm guessing 1990s. Here we have a bigger emblem. I don't think there was anything on the bottom, unless you can pull a date off a barcode, which there probably is a way to do that. And at least on this particular one, the ratchet feet were okay. It's a little sloppy, so when I run it, I am going to hang on to it. I don't think I mentioned on the other one that the hands can open to grip objects. They're spring-loaded, and under locking action. I'll let it run a cycle or two to warm up. Although it was already smoking pretty good. Let's see if it shows up. Oh, he popped his top. That's okay, I can fix that. I can fix that except for when it jams everything up, right? There's a little pin that if you watch the other video, you'll see where the pin goes, which is right there. And I think if I tighten the shoulder screw up a little bit, maybe it won't do that again. Okay, let's try it again. So it whiffs out a lot of smoke too. They're actually good smokers once you get the bellows connected. Just a little design error, manufacturing error that apparently they decided not to fix or didn't notice until they'd already shipped some out. But here you have the Deceptor. It's a head-splitting, smoking Dinobot.